How to hide work experience in LinkedIn. So let's get started. First of all, follow these simple steps to hide individual experience entries on your LinkedIn profile. Make sure to log into your LinkedIn account first of all. Then, within the selected experience, find and tap the vertical show list three dots icon next to the position title. Then from the drop-down menu, choose the option to hide this position for this targeted role. A pop-up will ask to confirm hiding the selected position. Click Yes to complete the process. And that is it. The specific experience entry is now hidden from a general profile view but still saved under your employment history. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.